tap this toolbar icon, tap Show Word Count, and this word count will pop up at the bottom. This shows the word count of the entire document. If you want to see just what one text box has, select the text box, and you need to make sure that there are blue circles that show it's selected. As you type, you will notice that the total word count of the entire document gets updated. We want to just see what this text box has, so I will tap on the background, get out of the text box, then tap on the text box just one more time to get our blue dots back, and you can see that there are only 4 words. You can test this out by tapping on text boxes throughout the document. Country is 1 word. Our title has 4 words. And this text box has 4 words.